Hello friends. Today, welcome to another video of my series against the videos for COVID. Today we are going to talk about COVID in children. Now, we all know that this dreaded pandemic is upon us for last 1 year and more. But if there is one silver lining of this pandemic, it does not affect the children severely. I'm sure you must all be glad because of that, because whatever happens, we can't see our kids sick. So, is COVID actually dangerous for kids? Luckily, the answer is mostly not. Of course, some people have an immune reaction, very rare in kids, and for them it can be dangerous. But most kids are okay with COVID and they don't develop any life threatening complications. So much so that the mortality of COVID in kids is negligible. What does it mean? So, kids, do they need to be vaccinated against COVID? What does it what does this particular fact mean for kids? Our kids. Well, let me put it this way. In COVID, no one is safe till everyone is safe. So kids basically represent a reservoir where coronavirus will continue to survive and continue to transmit and, God forbid, continue to mutate. See, coronavirus is a RNA virus, so mutation is a rule in coronavirus. And more the spread, more times the virus spreads, more are the chances of mutations developing. So if we don't vaccinate everybody, including kids, the virus will continue to spread amongst kids and continue to mutate and probably evolve into a deadly variant. Now, this deadly variant can have various connotations. It can cause more severe disease, it can cause more infectious disease, it can evade the immune response generated by the vaccines. So, we don't want this to happen. So, sooner or later, we will have to immunize kids. Especially when kids are starting school, we'll have to immunize the kids. I really don't see a scenario where mass school, mass schooling as it was before in the pre-COVID area starts in unvaccinated children, because that will cause the virus to mutate. So where are we with vaccines for kids? Now, luckily, Pfizer has already started trials of the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine in kids, and I'm glad to tell you that the trial showed absolutely no side effects. So the mRNA vaccines are very safe for the kids. Probably all vaccines will be. More importantly, if you know, the protection which is afforded by the vaccine varies between 80%, 90%, 95% in most vaccines. But for the first time in the world, the vaccines, the when Pfizer BioNTech vaccine was given to kids, 100% efficacy was seen. That is, none of the kids who was injected with the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine developed any symptoms of COVID. So probably vaccination of kids is the next logical approach to controlling this pandemic. We have to vaccinate the entire population as far as is possible. Only then is herd immunity possible, and only then can the virus be banished from our society as it deserves to be. My friends, keep on watching. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. Stay home, stay safe, and whenever you have to go out for any inevitable work, mask up. Take care.